Right, so we're looking at length measurements this time, and we've got our metre rule. Some things to note, you've got this part at the start here, which is, it doesn't start exactly from zero. In fact, let's turn the rule around. This is the zero end. You can tell by the scale actually going upwards as it goes across. But so it doesn't start from zero. So when I'm taking my measurement, I've got to be aware of that. If I was measuring the cell phone case, I wouldn't start measuring like this. I would bring it across to deal with that non-zero zero reading on the scale. Okay, so I can see that there, that I'm measuring, it says 13.5 centimetres or 135 millimetres. Something to be aware of when you're measuring length measurements is that you don't want to hold it on an angle like that. Okay, it has to be going perpendicular to both surfaces, so that it's perpendicular at this end to that length, at right angles, and same at this one over here. Okay, so that there's a clear right angle there. If you put it on an angle, you're going to get an unusual reading, longer than it should be. I can also do multiple measurements from here, here, and here at different positions along the length of that, and average out to get the most accurate reading. That's length. Oh, one other thing, you should measure to the smallest division on the scale, so this one measures to millimetres. I wouldn't write down my reading in centimetres because I can measure accurately to the nearest millimetre. Even if my reading was exactly, say, 13 centimetres here, 13.0 is what I'd write down if I was writing in centimetres, because I know it's accurate down to that smallest tenth of a centimetre.